धाड आज समज एक 12 हॉटेलांनी भुरगे आहाय तारवटी जावं एनआरजी जावं रिटर्न येयलोय ते 12 हॉटेलांनी विथइन 24 hours टीम्स धाडून तेंगे टेस्ट घेवन इन अदर 24 hours टेस्ट रिजल्ट आउट करपाची कॅपॅसिटी ग्राउंड लेवल ना आणि ही कॅपॅसिटी ग्राउंड लेवल ना म्हूण जाण आता न्यू एसओपी येयल्या की हो जो पेड क्वारंटाईन इश्यू आलो तेका मातशें स्लो डावन करपाक की यू विल हॅव टू डू युअर टेस्ट अँड देन यू विल हॅव टू गो होम आणि टेस्ट जाच कुसान तुवें हॉटेलांत पेड करून रावपाचें सो गुणन थिंगा आहाय 24 वरांनी आणि 48 hours टेस्ट रिजल्ट हुंय मेळना सो पोतोनूय येल म्हणटरी हॉटेलां रावले दुसऱ्या दिसा या तिसऱ्या दिसा मेडिकल टीम पावतो थिंगा कित्याक मेडिकल टीम इज वर्किंग व्हेरी हार्ड दे आर ओव्हरलोडेड you all have not recruited more teams, you all have not trained more medical related students to join the team where you can go in 20 hotels to take the test. हे अजून तुम्ही केलो ना कित्याक हे आम सांगोत आता अशें करून प्रेसान हे आम सांगेल म्हणटरी ती आयडिया तुम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट करताय तुमकां जरी तूं आज 500 मेडिकल रिलेटेड स्टुडंट्स आणि सिव्हिलियन्स जरी तो तुम अप्रोच जाल्ले आणि तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिल्ले जाल्यार तुम आज एक 20-30 हॉटेलांक बाराबर टीम धाडून विथइन 24 hours तुमच्या टेस्ट करपाक घेवपा जाता आसलो आणि तोच टेस्ट रिजल्ट कोण दिवपा जाता आशिल्लो सो दिस इज नॉट बीन डन सो अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू कम टू द सेम स्टोरी 2-3 दिसान बाबा ही मेडिकल टीम कासार जावन टीम पावतली टेस्ट करपाक ते टेस्ट कोण घेवन वयतली आणि 2 दिसान सो फायनली 7 days पेड क्वारंटाईन आलो ते तुक 6 days या 5 days पेड क्वारंटाईन तुक करचें पडटलें
any kind of any more paid, even the test should come first within 24 hours and they should be sent home, because we are also very concerned about the families, the communities, in the village, and we will urge the seafarers to maintain this and to follow the guidelines and not to violate even when they go home. Decision verbally येईल ना अजून ते implement झालं ना आणि ती order येईल ना so we request the government to implement immediately, because we welcome again the decision what they say is free quarantine, which is yet to be black and white. Goa was the only state where the cruise liners and people coming from abroad were feeling the heat of paying extra. See, we always believed that this was not right. We understand that the coronavirus is very serious and the virus is coming from abroad. So that doesn't mean that the seafarers and the people who are in the outside India are bringing the virus. Today we have more than 2,300 seafarers already in Goa. All are safe, no cases, no coronavirus, and there are more than 5,500 are on the way in a few days' time. Who are coming on the ship, their purpose is solved, because they won't be staying in a paid institutional quarantine until the result comes. Now the only problem is the people who are coming by flight, coming by roadways. So we urge them that even that paid quarantine should not be charged, because ultimately we have to be very fair with everybody. Now around 2,000 people have already paid, 2,000 people have already paid for the quarantine, 14 days, 7 days, the companies. I think the government should be sensible enough. Maybe they have to refund the money back, because then Goa image will be very good. There are people from Goa came to Kerala, and the Kerala government have given them a very good service.
Should give the representation for seafarers. This is the time they have to realize. Today no one is taking the issue in a right cause. The politics करपा जाय म्हणून इश्यू गेला लायमलायटान येवपा जाय म्हणून पूण खरें जाल्यार सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन आमगे तारोट्या रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिचें येत्या इलेक्शनाक खंयची पार्टी सगळे पार्टीनी तारोट्या रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिचें कित्याक आमगेलो वॉयस पावपाक कित्याक आमकां लागून तारोट्यांक लागून कोण उलयना हें म्हाका दिसता
पयले सांगताले come with all the 40 MLAs, with all the parties and take this decision. And I म्हाका सोदा हे जे डिसिजन जालें तें आज करपाक जावं ते ऑपोजिशन जावं सगळे MLA तेणी काल पयर एक मेमोरेंडम दिलो जा ऑपोजिशन लिडरांनी तेकाय लागून म्हाका स्वता गव्हर्मेंटाचेर प्रेशर येयलो आनी हें करूं पावल म्हूण आनी it is very heartening to see there's one video of a sheep where the crew have gathered on one sheep and they are appealing to the government of India to repatriate them because the company has given them no option but to appeal to their government, and the video is gone viral, which is not a healthy message, which shows a bad image of our government of India. So मागता आमचे गव्हर्मेंटांताय चड करून आमचे जे स्मॉल कंपनीज आहाय तांकां त्या भुरग्यांक तुमी हेल्प करात जाता तितू बेगीन तुमी तांकां हाडय म्हूण. So which is come, we are welcoming the decision what the Chief Minister has said in the cabinet decision, but till now the order is not implemented in writing. So I urge the CM जाता तितू बेगीन कलेक्टरान ती इम्प्लिमेंट करची आनी ती लोकां मदीं ऑर्डर घालची.